Good morning, everybody. Yes, as Jim said, I'm George Mcbredman, the program chairperson for a web application design and development program. I'm also the lead instructor for the program as well. This program is a 900-hour program with 720 hours in the classroom instruction portion and then 180 hours of externship at the end. The program curriculum is designed to teach computer coding from the standpoint of a beginner with no prior experience in order to give them fundamental skills that they can use to enter in the industry as a entry-level web developer. Web development is sort of a blanket term that covers a number of things. It covers simple website design to standalone application development and also data analysis and marketing. Even social media is put into that broad term, and students can enter into a number of jobs in those small offshoots of the web development area in the industry. There are some admission requirements for this program. Currently, the program is being taught remotely, but when in person, it is taught only in our Levittown campus and only during the daytime, with class hours running from 8:50 a.m. in the morning till 3 p.m. in the afternoon. With the admission requirements, there's a assessment that we have them go through. There's small projects that they have to work on and submit to us in order to show aptitude, because this program is not meant to teach people how to use the computer. What we use is we use the computer as a tool that we will use to create web-based applications. First and foremost, the number one thing we're looking for with a candidate for this program is an interest and aptitude with technology. And that's going to be able to get them through the hard times that come from coding, because coding involves a lot of problem solving, a lot of organizational skills, et cetera. If somebody doesn't have a vested interest in doing all that, they're not going to be able to get over the frustrating periods of time that occur when someone is actually doing coding. Students are taught through hands-on instructions, basic techniques, design styles, and best practices to follow in a wide range of development languages, which gives them a diverse set of skills that they can use to enter into the field of web development. The externship portion of our program, which is at the end of all the taught curriculum, is where they are going to be taught and mentored by local companies in a real-world environment in order to hone the skills that are taught in the classroom itself. The internet is a very, very big entity out there, and it changes almost on a day-to-day basis. So with that, as technology and internet things change, so does our curriculum. We always make sure that we're following trends that are in the industry. We communicate very closely throughout the entire year with the companies that are going to be hosting our externship students, as well as companies that have hired students from us in the past. And we talk about things that are going on and see if we need to make adjustments to the curriculum to make sure that what we're teaching is keeping up with the changes in technology that occur in the world. But right now, and basically the way it's been since the start of the program, we really have four main focuses of the curriculum. And number one, it is standard website design with a focus of mobile development and responsiveness and e-commerce. We also focus on standard application development, which is building an app that's separate from a website, where we teach components of computer science and general programming. We touch upon data analysis and database management, utilizing a lot of the very popular and widely used database tools that are out in the industry, like MySQL Workbench, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle database systems, and even Microsoft Access. And also we go into areas related to marketing, content management, and search engine optimization. We touch upon Google Analytics and even social media marketing and email marketing campaigns and things like that as well with that part of the curriculum. In addition to the standard curriculum, we introduce guest speakers frequently into the classroom during the education process. So business owners, employees of companies, even former students can share aspects of their journey and what the expectations of the field are, and just what the industry feels like in general. Very often our students, when they get hired by companies, within a short period of time, they have progressed into newer positions within that company. And a lot of times they like to share their journey, but they're also coming back to us because they're looking to hire a new student that will fill their previous role within the company as well. Students are going to be being taught and also building a code-based portfolio during their time here. We do something around over 100 small projects that we're able to build out, and they could show as examples, from simple applications like a project that allows you to compute the square root of a number, to a project that's more intensive, like being able to take a PDF file and utilize the computer's text-to-speech ability to have it read it back to them. And we also have them design a live portfolio website to help showcase their work. And that is also integrated with our career development portion of the program as well, to train them and get them ready for interviews and related skills that will bring them to their career in the field of web development.